Hi guys! On this video, ipapakita ko kung paano mag-permanently disable and request for a new debit card easily and conveniently from the BPI app. This is important to know just in case mawala, manakaw, or makompromise yung BPI debit card nyo. In order to permanently block your card, log into the BPI mobile app, punta kayo sa More, Card Control, select your debit card, click Settings, and then Permanently Block Card. Para makapag-request ng replacement debit card, kailangan nyo munang i-permanently disable or block yung card. Because if not, let me just show you. Balik tayo. And then, let's go to debit card replacement. If hindi naka-block yung card, ito yung lalabas. No eligible account found. Let's go back. Card control, settings, and then permanently block card. Then, just tick yes. Since this is for demonstration purposes only, hindi ko i-block yung card ko. But I'm gonna show you kung anong gagawin pagka-block ng card. So, let's go back. Once your card has been blocked, balik tayo sa debit card replacement and then select your debit card. May 200 peso fee to request for a new card. Select your BPI account that will be used to pay for the fee. And then, select a branch kung saan mo gusto i-pick up yung card. Once that's done, check everything and then confirm. May one-time PIN kang ma-receive and there you go. May matatanggap kang confirmation on the app and via email. After successfully placing the request, pwede nyong i-pick up yung card on the bank in 2 banking days for NCR and 2 to 6 banking days in provincial areas. While waiting for the new card, don't worry dahil pwede nyo pa din gamitin yung BPI online account or mobile app nyo to make transactions such as bills payment, transfers, or QR code transactions. And that's all. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other video requests. Till the next video, bye!